Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Fast Nutrition News. If you're looking to lose weight in a healthy and delicious way, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how you can use smoothies to help shed those extra pounds. So grab your blender and let's get started. And hey, if you've ever tried to make a healthy snack but ended up with a calorie bomb instead, don't worry, you're not alone. Trust me, my first smoothie had so much sugar, even the fruit was like, really? The benefits of smoothies for weight loss. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a ton of nutrients without piling on the calories. Here's why they're great for weight loss. First off, smoothies are nutrient-dense. This means you can load them up with fruits, veggies, and proteins that will keep you full and energized without overloading on calories. Next, they're super customizable. You control the ingredients, so you can avoid the hidden sugars and unhealthy additives often found in store-bought options. Finally, they're a great way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel fuller for longer. Plus, they're the one time you can drink spinach and actually feel cool about it. Oh, this? Just my daily dose of greens. Wink. What to include in a weight loss smoothie? All right, let's talk about what makes a smoothie ideal for weight loss. Here's what you should include. Fiber-rich fruits. Opt for low-sugar fruits like berries, apples, or pears. They add natural sweetness and are packed with fiber. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, or any leafy greens are a must. They're low in calories and high in nutrients without affecting the taste much. Protein. Add a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. Protein is crucial for keeping you full and supporting muscle maintenance. Healthy fats. A small amount of avocado, chia seeds, or flax seeds can go a long way. These healthy fats help with satiety and nutrient absorption. Liquid base. Stick to low-calorie options like water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water to keep the calorie count down. Just remember, your smoothie is not a pina colada. If it's starting to look more like a dessert, you might want to rethink that extra scoop of peanut butter.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the Smoothie Diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included, recipes are included, and all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something. Thanks and good luck.
The Smoothie Diet by Coach Drew is a delicious, easy-to-follow 21-day plan where you replace 2 meals a day with tasty and nutrient-packed smoothies. It's perfect for busy people who want to lose weight without the hassle of complicated diets. With 36 mouth-watering smoothie recipes, weekly shopping lists, and a flexible meal plan, shedding pounds has never been so simple or satisfying. Plus, it's not just a quick fix. This diet keeps working even after the 21 days are up. Ready to lose weight the yummy way? Check out the link in the description for more info and a sweet discount. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you start blending, let's go over some common mistakes people make when making smoothies for weight loss. Too much fruit. While fruit is healthy, adding too much can spike your sugar intake. Stick to 1 or 2 servings per smoothie, skipping protein. Without protein, your smoothie might not keep you full, leading to overeating later. Always add a protein source. Overdoing the extras. Nut butters, honey, and high-calorie toppings can add up quickly. Use them sparingly. Portion size. Even with healthy ingredients, portion control is key. A smoothie should be satisfying but not overly large. And speaking of portion control, if your smoothie needs a luggage tag, it might be too big. Keep it simple, folks. Easy weight loss smoothie recipes. Let's make a couple of quick and easy smoothies that are perfect for weight loss. Green Power Smoothie. 1 cup spinach. 1/2 cup frozen berries. 1/2 banana. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 scoop protein powder. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Blend until smooth and enjoy a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Creamy avocado smoothie. 1/2 avocado. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 1/2 apple chopped. 1 tablespoon flax seeds. 1 cup water. This smoothie is rich, creamy, and will keep you full for hours. And there you have it! 2 smoothies so good you'll forget they're actually healthy. Just don't get too attached to the blender. It's not a food processor. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. But don't forget, they should be part of a balanced diet paired with regular exercise. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. Let me know in the comments which smoothie recipe you're excited to try. And hey, if you didn't laugh at least once during this, you're allowed to add an extra banana to your smoothie for sweetness. Deal? Don't forget to check out the Smoothie Diet by Coach Drew. It's a tasty and effective way to shed those pounds. Link in the description.